Hello and welcome. Today, we'll learn how to make character controller in Unity. Here I have 3D character model placed in the scene. Create an empty game object. Name it character. Reset character position. Drag character model into it. Reset model position. Select character. Add rigid body component. Freeze X, Y and Z rotation. Add capsule collider component. Adjust its property so it fit with your character. To do this tutorial, you must have at least 2 animations for character. Idle and running. Here I got 2 animations made from Mix Ammo. From animation folder. Right click, create new animation controller. Double click to open animator editor. Right click and create new blend tree. Rename it to ground movement. Double click on it. Now we are in the ground movement node. Right click, add 2 motions. Assign idle and running animation clips to them. Rename the parameter from blend to forward. Now if we use slider to change blend value, you will see the animation blending between idle and running. Cool, let's select the character and add animator component. Drag character animator to it. An error showing up, saying that it could not find forward parameter. Let's click on parameter tab. Remove blend parameter. And add forward parameter. With float type. Okay, we fixed the issue. Now let's click play button to test. Nothing happened. We need to assign avatar for the character animator. Select your character model. Looks at the inspector on the right side. Find Rig tab, and create new avatar. Now assign avatar to the animator. Perfect. Let's test again. We have some issues here. The animation working, but it's not looping. Another issue is the character shrink too deep from the ground. Just pull the character model up a bit. Select animation clips. Enable loop time. Perfect. Let's test again. When playing, change the forward value to 1. The characters start running. Nice. Now we need to add script to make character moving every time we press moving keys from keyboard. Like WASD or arrow keys. Add new script component. Name it third-person character controller. Create new script folder and put the script inside it. Now double-click to open the script. Declare max speed public float variable, so later we can update speed in the script inspector. Declare private speed float variable. 2 more variables reference to animator and rigid body components. For this tutorial we will not use rigid body component. But later we will use it for jumping action. In start function, get reference to those components. Let's remove update function. And create fixed update function. Create new function name player movement. Call player movement function in fixed update. Now fill details for player movement. Calculate horizontal input value and vertical input value. And print debug log this 2 values to check the input. When I press W or S, the vertical value changed from -1 to 1. When I press A or D, the horizontal value changed from -1 to 1. Okay, the input value passed the test. Now I will rem out debug lines. Next, we will calculate move direction of the character. Set value for forward parameter of character animator. Based on move input direction value. Let test. Oops, the main camera transform value as null. Let fix it. Perfect, my character able to running around. And it start idle if I'm not moving. The character moving so fast. So I will reduce the max speed. Congratulations, now you know how to make a very basic character controller in Unity. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you have a nice day and see you on the next tutorial.